Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Translate in your browser or app and choosing the source and target languages. This tells the tool what to convert. Once done, pick an input mode: text, voice, camera, or handwriting, because each mode uses slightly different processing. Make sure to grant microphone or camera access when prompted so voice or camera translation works. You should also set auto-detect for unknown languages. This removes guesswork and speeds you into the first translation immediately. You now input the content and watch the translation appear. Typing and pasting are fastest for accuracy, while voice and camera capture natural speech or printed text. Once translated, review alternatives and tap individual words to see synonyms and examples so you understand nuance. This matters for tone and context. If you need a live dialogue, switch to conversation mode and hand the device between speakers. Make corrections in the source box to refine results and force a retranslation when needed. You finish by copying, sharing, or saving the translation to your phrasebook for quick reuse. This preserves useful phrases. For travel or flaky internet, download offline language packs so translations run locally. If translations look wrong, make sure your source and target languages are correct. Check your connection and try shorter sentences or clearer phrasing. This often fixes misinterpretation. If voice fails, test microphone permissions. If camera misreads, stabilize the image and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.